Welcome. In front of me is Dell Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to tell you what to do if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast. The first thing that you can do is change your power mode to best power efficiency. To do that, right-click the battery icon on the status bar, go to Power and Sleep settings, then select Power mode and change it to best power efficiency. You can also choose the custom power mode in BIOS settings. So to do that, power off your PC, and once it's powered off, you have to press the power button once and then repeatedly press F2 button until your device boots up into BIOS menu. Once you see the BIOS menu in front of you, select the Power tab in the left, on the left part of the screen, and here you can select one of the 4 basic battery configuration. You can read more about them right here and decide which one is best for you. And besides, you can also choose the custom battery configuration, which lets you decide when your laptop starts charging and when it stops charging. To change these values, you can change this. You can click this up and down keys, or just use your arrow keys instead. And by setting this custom option and setting some even default values, you will also significantly improve your battery's life. To save settings, press Escape and click Yes to save settings. Next thing that you can do is lower the screen brightness. You can either click on the 3 icons on the status bar and then move the slider to the left to the point where you're still comfortable with your screen brightness, or alternatively you can use F6 and F5, F6 and F7 buttons to regulate your screen brightness. To enable secondary functions of your function keys, press Fn button and Escape button at the same time. To see which applications consume the most battery, you can open the Task Manager by right-clicking the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. Then, in the Processes section, right-click on any of these columns, select Power Usage, and then filter Results by Power Usage. To close the application that is consuming a lot of your power, right-click on it, select End Task, and the application will be closed. You can also check your connected devices, again by clicking these 3 icons you see right here, then clicking the arrow icon next to the Bluetooth, then find the connected device and disconnect them by clicking on them and selecting Disconnect. Also, keeping Bluetooth turned off now increases your battery lifespan. Also, make sure to keep your device up to date. Open the Start menu, go to Settings, open Windows Update section right here, and check if you have any updates that you can install. Make sure that your device is up to date. You can also go to Advanced Options, go to Optional Updates, and check if there are any driver updates here. This will also increase your device's battery health. You can also use the Dell SupportAssist application that you can download from the official Dell website. Using this application, you can perform the full system scan that will increase and improve your overall performance of this laptop. To do that, go to Home, select Full System Scan, click Start, and wait until this application optimizes your device's life. And also, if you're gonna have any driver updates pending, then this application will also let you know and you will be able to install them. If you want to know more about it, then check our how to update drivers video on our channel. And that's basically all the advice I had for you. If your device's battery is still malfunctioning, then check its health by directly looking at your battery's health level. To do it, search for CMD application in the start menu, then run this application. As administrator, click yes, and in the following field, input power CFG /battery report. Enter this command. Copy this path by selecting it like this and then right click on it to copy. Open your file explorer or web browser, input this path into the path field and press enter. Then here you'll be able to find all the information about your battery that you need to know about, but the most important part is these two lines. So the design capacity of your battery is the original capacity of it with which it was shipped to you, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of your battery. So if you can see that this number is significantly lower than this one, that means that at this point the only thing that can save your battery is a replacement. And that's it. As you can see, the device is still being scanned. And once the scan is complete, your device's performance and battery health will improve significantly. And at this point I want to finish this video, so thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.